Welcome everyone. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Today's another open house video here at 2225 Welcome Way in the village of Tall Trees. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. It is a wood framed home and it is very near shopping. I hope you enjoy the tour. Hello folks, welcome. This home is located at 2225 Welcome Way here in the village of Tall Trees. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. It is wood framed, and I will start by giving you a panoramic view of the home and the street. Again, it is a very quiet street here. This is a pan to the left, and this will be a pan to the right. Very quiet street. It's another beautiful day in the villages. As always, please contact the listing real estate agent if you have more questions about this home. It does have a painted driveway. The roof looks fairly new. The roof shingling looks really new. It has a 2-car garage. And let's take a walk and see what we see. I do see a lot of cement and brick paver in the front patio. It has a very large patio and seating area here in the front. It is a 2-car garage. And please, if you do have any questions, contact Patti Belton at Realty Executives. She is the listing agent. Let's take a walk inside the home and see what we see. Very nice. Let's see what's inside the home.
Hi, welcome. This is 2225 Welcome Way. This is a Camellia model, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Price is $449.9. It's being sold tastefully furnished, so you'll see the furniture throughout is all going to be included with the sale. We have brand new kitchen stainless steel appliances, vaulted ceilings. The primary bathroom has been updated with nice quartz countertops, double vanities. Also the shower. Primary closets are nice as well. There's 2 of them. The backyard is different because it has a small area for a bird cage, but a big green space that's not yours to have to maintain. So that's a really good thing when you check that out. No kissing lanais, which is nice. They're off to the side. They're both enclosed, so you have really complete privacy in the back. Hope you enjoy.
Okay, great. Thanks. I'll take a walk through and describe what I see. If I have any questions, I'll be sure to ask you. As I stand here in the foyer area, the first thing I notice is ceramic tile floors. And I'm looking out to the living and dining area as well as the lanai in the back. Off to the right, you'll see the kitchen and a small dinette area here. Off to the left, you will see a guest quarters with a sliding pocket door. It is ceramic tiled. You could close that pocket door and give your guests some privacy. There will be 2 bedrooms on this side of the home. This is a split bedroom design, which is very popular here in the villages. It allows your guests to have privacy. We'll call this bedroom number 1. Very neutrally painted. It does have the acoustical textured ceilings. It does have carpeted floors. I will take a walk in here and pan around, give you an idea of what this bedroom looks like. Has a closet. All right, let's walk into the hallway area. This is the guest bathroom. Guest bathroom has ceramic tile floors. It is a single sink in here. Ceilings are nice and high. I believe that is a solar tube that allows natural sunlight to come in. It does have a tub, and the shower surround is tile. Yes, that is tile. This bathroom is beautifully decorated. We'll call this bedroom number 2. It has carpeting. Again, very neutral colors throughout. Does have the acoustical texture on the ceiling. I believe that is a queen size bed, just to give you an idea of the size of this room. Plenty of room in this bedroom. Let's take a walk through the rest of the home. We're back out into the foyer area. We're going to head into the living and dining room area. Again, you'll see the ceramic tile floors continue into the living room and dining room area. All the way down. That's a panoramic view of the kitchen. That does look like a laminate countertop in the kitchen. Later on, I will video the specifications sheet. These ceilings are very high, very tall here in this home. Very spacious. This home feels very wide open. You'll see this is the dining area. Very high ceilings. It does have the acoustical texture on the ceilings. Let's head out into the lanai area. In the lanai, you will see the ceramic tile continued. It is an enclosed lanai with glass windows. That patio door will lead into the master bedroom. This is a very large lanai. Very large lanai. I will take a walk out to the patio. It is a brick paver patio right off the lanai. Very nice. And you can see, as the real estate agent mentioned, there is no kissing lanai back here. It feels kind of private, which is really hard to find here in the villages. A lot of times the lanais, you'll have a lanai that would be right here. And you can see inside your neighbor's lanai. But in this case, you cannot. This is the back side of the home. This home appears to be in really, really good condition. Let's take a walk inside. Let's take a walk into the kitchen area. You will see that the kitchen bar does have ceramic tile on it. Ceramic tile continues throughout the kitchen and the dining room area. Very high ceilings. Looks like those are oak cabinets. This is your dinette area. Very open spaces here. The appliances, it does have a natural gas stove. Those countertops are Formica countertops. This is the master bedroom. It does have laminate flooring. This is a man-made engineered wood-looking type floor. This bedroom has very high ceilings. That is a king-size bed to give you an idea of the size of this bedroom. This bedroom is really large. Really large bedroom. Has 2 windows. It does have the sliding glass door into the lanai. Let's take a walk. I'll stand in the corner of the room. This gives you a panoramic view of the bedroom. Let's take a walk into the master bathroom area. It does have a his and hers walk-in closet with pocket doors. There's the his closet with the laminate flooring. Does have storage shelving. Here's the her closet. It does have the wood laminate floor. Give you an idea. It does have very, very high ceilings in that closet. Into the master bathroom, you will see that it has ceramic tile floors. It does have a separate commode room with a pocket door. This is where the realtor was talking about the quartz countertop. Very nice. With 2 sinks. Very nice quartz countertop with 2 sinks. Very nice wood cabinets. Here is the shower and the commode room with the pocket door. Does have the ceramic tile continuing throughout. The shower is tiled. Where's that marble? I'm not sure what that is. Please ask the real estate agent. It has glass doors. Let's take a look inside that shower. So here's the shower. It does have tile throughout the walls and the floor. I'm not sure if that's tile or marble, but it looks really nice, really neutral. It does have a seat. Okay, let's take a walk and continue throughout the house. And this master bathroom does have a nice closet. These floors are beautiful looking. Very gorgeous. Give you an idea of that size of that bed. That's a king size bed. And you can see there is a lot of room on each side of that bed. Continue to walk out into the kitchen area. This is the laundry area. It does have the ceramic tile floor. It is an indoor laundry, temperature controlled. That's going to be very welcomed. This will lead out to the garage. It is a 2-car garage. Garage has cement floors. It is a 2-car garage. Pan around. You will find the mechanicals, the heating system behind those doors. That is your water heater. Let's take a walk outside. We'll take a walk around. I'll give you another panoramic view of the dining area and the kitchen area. This home is beautifully maintained, very high ceilings, very spacious feel to it. Very nice home. Very spacious. All right, we'll take a walk back outside. Give you a panoramic view from this corner of the building. This is standing in the living room area, looking into the dining room area, looking into the kitchen area. Very bright home. Let's take another walk outside. Here we are standing in the front of the home. You can see the large patio. with the brick pavers. Lots of seating area here in the front of this home. Lots of mature trees. Very quiet neighborhood. Like I said, this is the village of tall trees. This is located very close to shopping. I think you can drive to Publix grocery store on your golf cart in about 5 minutes from here. This is very close to all your shopping on Highway 466. All the restaurants there. This is a very convenient location. And here's the last panoramic view of the home. Again, if you're interested in this home, please contact the listing agent, Patti. She will help you out. She will answer any of your questions. I do appreciate you watching my videos and subscribing. Take care, everybody. Have a great weekend. Thank you for watching this video. This was an open house video in the village of Tall Trees. It's a wood-framed home, a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. If you have any questions, please contact the real estate agent. My name is Tim. Have a great weekend, everybody.